Before sending an invoice, you must first create a customer. In order to create a customer, click on the menu item, Customers, located on the panel on the left side of your screen. Select Add, and you'll be presented with the customer creation form. When you create a customer in SimplePin, make sure that it is exactly the same as it is in your internal accounting system, CRM, or broker management system. This will make it easier for you to reconcile data between the two systems. Also, if you're planning to integrate your system with SimplePin in the future, please specify the customer ID, which is the unique code of your customer in your system. If a customer has a billing address that's different from the main address, check the box next to Use a different billing address to change it. Click on the Add button, and your customer will show up in your Customers tab in the left pane. If you made a mistake entering the customer's details, click on the Update Customer tab in the left pane to change his or her details accordingly. There are different ways to add your customers to SimplePin's database. 1. You can add a new customer through the Customer search box and Add of the Invoices menu. Or 2, you can add a large number of customers by importing them from the Excel document. With all of its simplicity, SimplePin is a very powerful platform with additional functionality that will come in handy for your payment processing needs. If you would like to know more about SimplePin, please give us a call at the toll-free number 1-800-727-4136. You can also send us an email at info@simplepin.com or contact us through our website at simplepin.com/contact-us, or even request a demo with one of our product specialists. Thank you. Schedule a demo with us today.